Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your iPhone to factory settings. First, it is crucial to back up all your important data. You can use iCloud or connect your iPhone to a computer for this. Next, sign out of your Apple ID and disable Find My iPhone. This step is vital to avoid activation lock issues later. Finally, make sure your iPhone has at least 50% battery life or is plugged into a power source. Now, let's move to the actual reset process. Open your iPhone Settings app. From there, tap on General, then scroll down until you see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select this option, and then choose Erase All Content and Settings. Your iPhone will prompt you to enter your device passcode and then your Apple ID password to confirm this action. This ensures only you can perform the reset. After confirming the erase, your iPhone will begin the process. You will see the Apple logo and a progress bar on the screen. This can take several minutes, so please be patient. Once the erase is finished, your iPhone will restart and present the Hello screen, just like a brand new device. At this point, you can either set it up as a new iPhone or restore your data from a previous backup. Why might you want to reset your iPhone? It is an excellent way to fix persistent software issues or boost your device's performance. More importantly, it is absolutely essential before selling or gifting your iPhone to someone else. This ensures all your personal data, photos, and messages are completely wiped, protecting your privacy. Following these steps guarantees a clean slate for your device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.